Network Security Toolkit is an open-source Linux operating system designed with network security in mind. It can be used for network security monitoring and analysis. Based on the Fedora Core Linux distribution, Network Security Toolkit or NST can be used to easily transform an old computer into an efficient system for network traffic analysis, wireless network monitoring, network packet generation, and intrusion detection. Linux experts can also use it to build a complex network and host scanner, or a virtual system service server. Network Security Toolkit is distributed as a single live DVD ISO image. It supports only the 32-bit architecture. The operating system provides users with easy access to the best open-source network security applications. It features multi-tap network packet capture, web-based network security tools management, host/IPv4 address geolocation, network and system monitoring, network intrusion detection, multi-port terminal server. In addition, VNC session management, network interface bandwidth monitor, active connections monitor, network segment ARP scanner, and network packet capture CloudShark upload support is also provided in this distribution. The boot menu offers many choices, from running the graphical or text mode live environment and rescue mode, to the ability to test your computer's RAM or boot the operating system that is already installed on the disk drive. The graphical environment is powered by the lightweight Mate desktop environment, which loads quite fast in this live media. Mate is a fork of the now deprecated GNOME 2 desktop environment. Besides the standard applications like Mozilla Firefox and Midori web browsers, FileZilla and GFTP FTP clients, Claws Mail and Evolution email clients, the Network Security Toolkit operating system includes a wide range of network related apps. These include Wireshark, AirsNord, Angry IP Scanner, Creepy, DriftNet, EtherApe, EtherCap, Net Activity Viewer, NetWag, Network Miner, Ostinato, PackETH, PDD, TCPTrack, TCPCTract, Tiger VNC Viewer, W3AF, and Wi-Fi Radar. To name a few. All in all, Network Security Toolkit is the perfect tool for network security specialists and enthusiasts alike. See you at the next video, and now some music by
climbers to the peak of desolation. Warfare victims of commercial crime. We are event horizon in continuous incarnation. Clearing our existence surfers on the waves of fate. We are gods and demons finding the solution. The mounting flame to overcome our greed and hate. Burning down